Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll learn to ease into the natural flow of life as we soften our resistance around change. Begin by finding an easy seated position. Let your spine gently straighten, remaining alert without tension. Allow your shoulders to relax and soften, and rest your hands comfortably in your lap. Gently close your eyes and relax your forehead. Allow your body to settle, and turn your attention to your breathing. Take a few deep, expansive breaths in, then slow, steady breaths out. And each time you exhale, rest deeper into this very moment. It's as though each breath is an invitation to fully arrive into your practice. And now, soften your breath, letting it return to an effortless rhythm. Take a few moments to notice where your breath is the most accessible. Perhaps you'll notice the clear expanding and releasing of your breath moving through your belly, or the natural rise and fall of your chest. Or maybe you feel the cool air moving into your nostrils as you inhale, the warmth of your exhales as they come through your nose. When you notice where your breath is at its clearest, let your awareness rest there. Stay with your breath, tracking it all the way through each inhale and exhale. As you make room for stillness in your practice, you may notice thoughts or emotions pop up. Some might be pleasant, while others can be uncomfortable. Whatever comes up for you, allow it to arise without judgment. It can be helpful to think of your emotions or distractions as a shift in the weather. There's a sense of acceptance when a storm arrives. We know it will pass. The same is true with our thoughts or feelings. Rather than pushing them away, simply allow them to rise and fall. Rather than resisting your experience, make room for all of it, just as it is. Allow thoughts, sensations, and emotions to come and go, and just keep returning to your breath. Like waves of the ocean, let your breath keep moving freely, ebbing and flowing in and out. Let it be an anchoring point in your experience, bringing yourself back time and time again. And now, allow your attention to widen. Our meditation practice teaches us to accept whatever comes up. Some days our practice feels sweet and joyful. Other days it feels challenging and frustrating. And rather than judging our meditation as good or bad, we learn to accept it, knowing that it will be a different experience each and every time. With time, we understand that nothing is permanent. All of our thoughts and emotions eventually shift and pass. This is true for our lives off the meditation cushion as well. Though it is a challenging practice, we can learn to transfer these precious skills into our lives, accepting and recognizing the impermanence of even the stickiest, most challenging situations. When we resist change, we create more grasping and suffering. But change is inevitable. Our bodies age, relationships end, carefully laid plans fall through. And though it can feel difficult, we do have a choice. We can choose to surrender to change rather than fight against it. We can choose to accept what arises and to go with the flow of the inevitable shifts that life brings. The good news is, the more we practice this, the easier it becomes. Our capacity to face adversity grows, and our ability to move with the currents of our life expands. Now gently draw your attention back to your breath. Stay with your soft, natural breath for a few moments. When you're ready, become aware of the room around you, and softly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.